Hello, I have a question. Do you like technology? Do you like working on vehicles? Do you like solving mechanical problems? If your answer is yes, and you're looking for a career path in this area, then we'd love to have you apply here at Royal Oak Ford. We have opportunities from entry level all the way through senior master technicians. When you become a part of the Royal Oak Ford team, you will enjoy supportive management and wonderful ownership. We offer a competitive salary and benefits package, a modern facility with the latest equipment and paid training. So please apply to become a part of our award-winning service team here at Royal Oak Ford.